don't play. The bitch said she wanted to smoke, so I called Smokey J.
Oh,
I'm coming at you. She said my dick tastes like Frito-Lay.
I'm coming at you.
But I ain't let her hit it. I just pulled out a bag of Lay's.
Oh, a fat nigga spitting rap. What is he throwing up your lunch? He's so hungry he ate a couple kids and called it Brady Bunch Crunch.
Oh shit! Will to God! Will to God!
Shit.
He looked that up. He looked that up.
This nigga ate a whole tree and called it a big salad. He couldn't eat the little leaves, it wasn't filling up his palate. I got some salt on him, call him baked fish. But he won't eat that, it's not a big enough dish. I'm about to go in on this nigga, call me a ham sandwich. You ate that for lunch, and I ate up your mammy.
Yo, listen, it's going off. Yo, it's going off. Listen, it's going off because these chocolate niggas round. I found their ass in the fucking movie theaters eating a bunch of fudge rounds. That's why your ass so dark and your ass so chocolate.
Get your shit off of Google, nigga. Stop doing Google. Please.
That's not off Google, nigga. That's right off the top.
That's why it's
Nigga, stay on
Like
Google.
the cream off the cupcake.
Let me
Right
show
off
you
the
how I
top.
know this nigga's fat. Everything he like is food related.
You fat.
Let's say it to the public.
It take
His
one to know
favorite
one.
basketball
As you
team
can
is the
see,
Denver
This
Nuggets.
nigga's nips is bigger than me.
My what? My nips?
Nigga, look at your tits. They bigger than my girl.
Your shit off of Google. Your ass stale like a Buster Rhymes ramen noodle.
Smokey J's leaving.
But
When
tell
I
your
go
bitch
to the
get my
club,
dick up off
I'm
of her
about to
lip.
be leaning and
I'm in
scheming.
here.
With the bitch, I'm a beaming.
Oh, it's like-
I'm out though. For real, I gotta get out of here. You guys, you need to...
Will to God in the building. Will to God in the...
Cause you ass. Oh, you're always trying to attack someone. Just drop a bar. Let it be
Drop
hot
a bar,
for a
so you
minute.
want me to rap about my stacks in my
Yeah.
pockets?
You don't got
Real.
no stacks,
Just,
nigga.
Count fives, count 50s, count money
he
like
got
this,
$5
count
bills,
money,
but you know
count
I
bricks,
count
count
hundos.
bitches,
nigga
gold
He
too.
got one
It's a
girl, but you know I got
coin.
10 hoes.
What you gon' do?
Keep going.
All right.
10 hoes, okay.
All right, so I just said, so
fucking
you
them
know
all?
we counting,
Can I
he
get
gets
one?
one girl, but I get 10 hoes.
Can you share one?
This
Damn,
dude
nigga.
got a short dick smaller than a ho-ho.
Oh,
God.
oh.
It ain't even edible.
Hey. Keep going. I be rolling up the reefer like a fucking Rolo.
Wiz Khalifa.
You know I live at large. I live that YOLO. I did some stupid shit. But I gotta get out here though, for real.
Hey, I gotta
I
We're
gotta
talking about YOLO.
Yo,
I got your girl going up and down like a yo-yo.
Just keep it
listen,
real.
I gotta keep the class.
She said my dick tastes like ho-hos.
Fat man, I'm out. Hey, Willie.
I gotta keep the
In
hands
and out.
Listen. This nigga pulled out $5. Go and buy yourself a sub. But I bet you can't. You too busy tweeting links from Pornhub.
Oh, damn.
You got a little bitch and now you think you getting ass. But we all know that you only got her to do your math.
Everyone's getting
You drop me off at home and take him to get
All
his
these
car.
niggas at me. That shit is
But you not
really
going?
sad.
Yeah,
All
but
they
he gotta
raps
get his
is
car,
fabricated.
but you
That
said you
shit
could
is
drop me
really
off at home
bad.
and then take him to get his car.
Listen to what I say. It's about to make
'Cause they
all
want
y'all
one.
niggas mad. We got one, we got a half, we got two, and we got three.
Fuck you. Fuck up,
These
nigga.
niggas don't
from
count,
Africa?
because they don't mean shit to me. They like the shit I shit out, flush it down my toilet.
You don't eat that shit, your breath always stink, nigga.
Take your ass and fucking boil it. Kill you. Mill you.
The fucked up part was that.
And spill you, niggas.
Ugly.
Like the fucking beans.
Nigga, one
Yo, how many
plus
videos
one
we got of this
about
shit?
as big as your
Is this the same one?
Yeah.
That
You
shit
come
is
at
from
me.
champ.
17
My
minutes.
shit all real.
Listen.
This is the shit of the champ. Heart of a lion.
Take on me, nigga.
Strength of a
make me
tiger.
use
Listen,
it.
nigga.
On that rocky
Got your
shit.
life in
my hand, I'm about to
I'm a
abuse it.
fighter.
Listen, 1 plus 1.
Climbing the stairs,
as big as
climbing
his
the
eyes.
ladders. This nigga can't say shit. I put him in tatters.
Fuck you, bitch.